One thing that is too much for me is why people have to make sites like Wikipedia, but it's not Wikipedia, it's some channel troll site. And people steal stuff from other people. I also see people make fun of anyone on here. And they did it also to me. What I don't like is that they steal pictures they don't own. They don't own the copyright of these pictures. They use porn when if you're trying to flag this site, they use porn and all that stuff. I seriously hope this site be taken down, because fuck, this is a ED, I think they call it. It's just bullshit. And they also says shitty stuff about Zipcast. Fuck ED, Zipcast rules. Zipcast the best video site ever. This is what I think about ED. Stupid trolls. They also say stupid stuff about Asperger people. I think Asperger people are nice. And I think normal people are stupid. So fuck this side. This side is shit.